We will have to introspect why it is going down. What are the main reasons? Are we not serious on this issue? आणि ही जबाबदारी माझी एकट्याची न्हू, हो पंचायत मेंबर जे कलांगूट कांदोली हा तेंची न्हू, आरपोरा नागवा पार्रा तेंची न्हू, सगळ्यांची. We are collectively responsible for the fall of good tourists coming into Goa. बिचार उबे रावता, बाटली लायता तोंडाक काडली आनी मारली सकलाव, तेजेर दुसरी बाटली मारली, फोडून उडयली. So we want this type of tourism or not? We will have to. There was a question mark on that. We put a ban on that now. So slowly it is going to go down. It's not that overnight they will stop drinking on the beach, but it will go down once they get those fines of 2,000 rupees. So this beautiful Goa, we will have to take care of it. हांव मानता की आमी चुकल्या म्हणून ना न्हू, शेतकारांक आमी सारूंक ना. आनीक लायन जाल्यार आमी घालीत गेले, पार्रा येयले आनी स्टॉप जाली. अंडरग्रावंड आमी घालूंकूच जाय ती, आनी ती जाल्यार मेन रोडा वयरची. It will take 8-9 months, 10 months, but we will do it. So whatever development we do, in the interest of the villages of Parra, Arpara, Nagwa, Kalangut, Kandolim, please support us for that. व्हडले पयशे मोडूंक ना, about 35 lakhs मोडल्या. तुम्ही येवन पळया, 35-40 lakhs आहा ते. तुम्ही येवन पळया, bank gives you loan. I think that money can be easily repaid back instead of selling the land to anybody outside or something like that. So let us work together and keep this village beautiful, green, and whatever problems are there, let us solve it together. Oppose करून problem solve जावचे ना. We will not allow this to happen. If something bad is happening, yes, let us oppose. Up from airport, जेन्ना tourist येता हो आमी येता, up to Porvorim is going to be 6 lane. From there, बरो road जावपाक जाय. From Porvorim till Kalangut, but without breaking anybody's house. That condition is put first. Up to Kalangut, up to Baga, up to Kandolim, Fort Agwada, from the Nerul bridge, Kadun, it's a ring road where easily you can come in and go out with footpath, lights, beautification, सगळे असतले तितून. Underground cabling, electricity will go underground. So all that work has to happen.